So special thanks to Cable Creations for sending us this Type-C with 3 USB-A's, HDMI 4K, and PD charging adapter. Now, nothing really around the box to show you. You can see here, same specs, the color, the cable length, and the product number CD0785. This will be perfect for somebody with a MacBook or any Mac product since they all are only USB-C type now. And let's take a look at what we get here. Ooh, I love the design there. Nice box design. Nothing else in there. So in here, wow, very nice. So we have a nice little Cable Creations carrying case, nicely labeled and everything. Even has some pockets here, cool. And we also have a full little instruction guide. And lastly, the actual item. It is normal for the hub to become hot while working, and then it has some specs about the USB ports. So very nice. You can see here is the 4K 60 Hertz HDMI port, the 3 USB-A 3.0 ports, and then that is the 1 USB Type-C PD port. Nothing over here at all. And of course, this side is USB Type-C as well, with a very nice braided cable. Looks very, very good. Little Cable Creation logo there, but a very, very nice, very sleek USB-C type adapter. If you have one of those MacBooks and you're needing to plug it out to a computer and maybe also need some regular USB ports and even a charging port to charge your phone, this is the perfect adapter for you. And truly, it feels like good quality. Nice case. It's not made out of plastic or anything like that. So very nice. Thank you very much, Cable Creations. That'll do it for this Cable Creations USB Type-C adapter. Thank you all for watching. Thanks again to Cable Creations for sending this to me. And we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.